Okay, hey guys, and welcome back. I don't know what just flew out my window. Or what just flew outside my window. But puppy. She loves getting attention. You're ruining my video. Okay. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing what am I doing? Pretty much just what you can do when you're bored in the summer. So right now I'm pretty bored. I'm home alone and I'm trying to think of things to do so I'm not bored. Yeah, so I figured let's just make a video out of this and kind of be productive. So, first thing, I kind of already filmed a clip, so it's going to be a little bit weird in the editing, maybe, hopefully not. I went out and tanned earlier, and I didn't really have time to like start this video until now. But yeah, so earlier I went out and tanned, you're going to see that. And now we're just going to go on with the rest of our day, trying to find things to do and be productive when you're bored in the summer. Okay, let's just do this together and hopefully have fun. Okay, yay, let's start this video. So, the first thing, okay. We are struggling. So, the first thing you can do to be productive and not bored, because this isn't really fun, but I find it fun. So if you find it fun, then it's fun. But you can bullet journal. Yay! So I just have this yellow bullet journal, and with this I have been meaning to like go back and do stuff in this. Like on my first page I have this, and it's just, I don't know how to show this. There we go. It's just like a map, and it has a bunch of places I've been. The ones I have filled out so far is New Orleans, Las Vegas, and Miami in 2019. And I need to add a few more places because I went to the Grand Canyon, and I also went to Roswell, New Mexico, and I also drove across country. So pretty much I can just cross off all those states. But yeah, I've been meaning to go back in and do this. And yeah, I mean, obviously the state I live in, I can fill that in, and then also, like, I've been driving to Maryland, if that counts. And I'm also going to New York next week. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in all of those, so that way this can be a little bit more colorful. And also I need to find my highlighters. First, let me go do that. Okay, so I need to look up an exact location where the Grand Canyon is. Grand Canyon. Okay, so I just went in and I filled in, what state is this? Arizona. The Grand Canyon is in Arizona, so I filled in Arizona, New Mexico, and New York all the way over here. I feel like this is so weird. I'm like hiding behind a book. So I filled in those 3 states and I wrote them down on this side, kind of like keep track of the date. And I was gonna do like the whole long road trip path, but then like I don't really want to cross out the states. I've never really stayed there other than spending the night. So I filled that in and I feel pretty accomplished because I've been meaning to do that for a long time. So yeah, I really enjoy bullet journaling or even just like writing in a journal because I don't like when I have like ideas or like I plan to do something. Okay, I can't say this. And I plan to do something and then I kind of forget about it, or I don't know, if it's just like not written down, then it's harder for me to do things and stay productive, because if it's written down then I feel like I have to do it. And then same thing with like journaling. I just like to journal about like goals and like what I want to do, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people do. But yeah, that's one thing to do when you're bored, and let's find something else to do. So another thing you can do when you're home alone or you're bored in the summer, you can just go lay out. So I was going to go up to the bay because there's like a bay in my neighborhood. It's not a beach, but I usually say I'm going to the beach when it's not. But anyway, I was gonna go up there, but I don't really feel like driving and having to like take a beach chair and like all that stuff. I'm just gonna go lay out in my driveway for probably like 45 minutes to an hour. So yeah, I'm just gonna go lay out, and of course like right now, let's see, it's fine, it's okay. It was like nice and sunny earlier. There was like no clouds in the sky, but now it's starting to get a little bit cloudier. So hopefully it's just not as hot as it was earlier and it's gonna be okay. But like, I'm just trying to get tan, okay? All right, let's go. Ow, the ground's hot. And it hurts. People are probably gonna look at me crazy. Okay, so I'm a little upset right now because I was going to attempt to play the ukulele. I have tried playing it before, and I went to play it, or went to go and get it, and I don't have the tuner for it. So pretty much like I can try and like play, but I don't have the tuner and I don't know where it is. I think it's at home because right now I'm at my beach house. So pretty much let's pretend that, you know, I practiced the ukulele. Yeah, that's something else you can do when you're bored. Pick up a hobby. But I can't right now, so I'm a little sad. So instead, we're gonna do something not as fun, but productive. I guess that's the point. We're going to clean. And sometimes I like cleaning, like I have to be in the mood. Like I'm kind of in the mood right now just because I don't know why, but I kind of am. So this is what we're dealing with. This is my room right now, and it's not going to take long. The longest part is like organizing all of this, and then there's just like a pile of shoes there. But yeah, we need to clean. So cleaning montage. Also, I did dishes. Part of cleaning, I got some water on my shirt. So cleaning montage, here we go. I'm holding the camera this way, but I am. So pretty much clean this off. That's like the trash I gotta take out of my room. It's just my bag. I have these clothes to put away and this stuff. This is like all bathroom stuff I gotta take care of, and like these things can go in the kitchen. But I forgot that I did laundry the other day. And let's guess to where this laundry still is. In the dryer. So I have more clothes than I thought that I have to put away. And we're going to attempt to carry this. And hopefully not drop any socks, because then Bailey will eat them. Okay. We got everything. Now I have, let's see, can I get this camera angle? All of that to put away. So let's get to it. Okay, so I just finished, I just hit my funny bone, cleaning my room, and it looks a lot better. So, we're just gonna ignore this corner of bags because that's all the stuff I have to take home with me today, so that will be gone. But okay, now she's looking good. And ignore those shoes. But other than that, we did it. So I'm going to end this video here. I'm sorry this wasn't that entertaining. It didn't really go as planned, and I was going to scrap the video, but then I would have nothing to post. So we're just gonna roll with it and hope everything turns out okay. But yeah, I'm really sad I didn't have the toner for my tuner for my ukulele, because I really wanted to pick it up. It's something I've been wanting to do and like start again for a long time. And of course, like when I go to, like I can't. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it wasn't that boring, and I hope you liked it. And yeah, okay. Just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment anything you want down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Downtown we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in a hazy glow. My head still goes.